Talofa everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm making fish cakes, and I've got all these ingredients and I'll show you now. So I've got so many ingredients today guys. I've got the breadcrumb panko, flour, eggs, salt and pepper over there, oil, coriander, and I also have this, lemon and herb, and garlic, and got spring onion, bean sprouts cut up, that salmon all chopped up, and I have smoked fish guys, and I've got a bit of butter here, and that will go with the oil when it's time to fry. So guys, there's so many ingredients today, I know, but this is for the fish cake, so I hope you have it. Yeah, welcome back guys. So I have smoked fish and I've got salmon, and it's all chopped up, ready to go. I just forgot my mashed potato. Far out guys. Yeah, so that was all the ingredients guys, and I forgot to add in that I have mashed potatoes. I made these mashed potatoes last night and I'll put some in the fridge because I knew I was going to do this today. So what I'm going to do now guys is bung everything together and let them, hang out. So I've got smoked fish here. It's barramundi smoked fish. Got this from, this is the leftover from my mukbang the other day. I know, we did a mukbang. And I have spring onions, so I'll put half there. Oh, and I'll put the, half of the bean sprout there. It would help if I opened this up. Yeah, okay. This is lemon garlic powder. So I just put in there about a teaspoon because the lemon can be a bit powerful flavor, but it's okay for those people that love lemon. Yeah, but I don't like it if it's too strong, you know. So this is salmon. So I'm that in there too. Now I'll add the rest of the bean sprout and the onions, and I'm going to chuck in, I got 1 teaspoon of chicken stock guys, so that'll go in there. Not only will it give the flavor, but it'll give the the salt that you need. And I got pepper here. I want to put half a teaspoon of pepper. Yeah, that'll do. I'm sure it's half a teaspoon. What do you think? Yeah, I'll put the salt just in case, but I think it needs a bit more salt. Yeah, I love it. That was a pinch of salt, guys. Yeah, and then I want some coriander. I got some coriander. I love the flavor of coriander in fish cakes. I just love it. So I was going to put onion in it, but I thought it's going to have so much flavor anyway. Yeah. Oh, break it off. Don't worry guys, I thoroughly washed my hands. So I'll cut the coriander in here. It's lovely having coriander in fish cakes. It's lovely. Big bits, little bits, as long as it's in there. It just gives it that, that yum yum flavor. Yum yum yum. Yeah. Oh, you can smell the coriander. So coriander's got a nice, strong smell. But anyway, I'll give it a little mix first before I put the mashed potato in it. Now mashed potato. I had it in the fridge, so it's going to be a little bit stiffed. Stiffed. Anyway, now it's time to mix it in. The salmon is not. Salmon is raw. But because it's finely chopped, guys, I've got this packet. Chuck. Whakari o he pisa mai le whaile video kei. Anyway, the chopped up salmon, you get it from Woolies in the fish section. In the fish section. Woo! Sometimes I fall about, mate. But anyway, don't worry. These fish cakes will come out the bone. So, that's nicely mixed in. I was thinking of putting corn in here, but then I changed my mind. But now I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, I should put corn in here. What do you guys think? It'll give it some colour, eh? Yeah, fuck, mate. Okay. They're frozen, but if I don't speed up the cooking, it will have time to, oh, look at that, giving it colour already. That'll do. Every time I open up my frozen veggies, I always put it in a clip bag. Just gonna mix it in. If you hear any noise, that's my fridge. Bit loud, the rude dude. There we are. Excuse you, get back in here. Use our family. Oh, thank you guys for helping me out to get that black stain. It came off. I used spray and wipe on it and it didn't take it off. But when I was told by 3 different people to use hand sanitizer, I ran out and got my handbag and I looked for my hand sanitizer. That's all ready. I'll put that aside. And I got 3 eggs because I was thinking of putting an egg in here. But then now I'm thinking it looks like it will combine, you know, together. So, yeah, it won't need the egg. So I'll just use 2 eggs over here. This is to 1 taramera. 1 taramera. Yeah, 2 tarameras. So mix that through. I have flour. Can you move over here, big girl? Yep. So this is how it goes. It will go flour, egg, and the banco. Banco. I was going to say, where's the plate for the pancake? It's under here. Okay. So that's how it's going to go. Flour, egg, and bango. And bango, what's his name? Bango. Guys. I used this before, so I can do my fish. This is a delicious fish too. I don't know if I recorded it too. Anyway, flatten this down. Here you guys. This is when you're you know, when you're a child and you used to play with clay, or you know the stuff. I can't remember. Say, help me out. What is it? Clay and putty. Yeah. Yeah. See, look at that. Kapow, kapow, kapow. Anyway, we put it in the flour. I'll move this fork, it's in the way, how rude. Put it in the flour, okay? And then we put it in the egg. Don't play around with it too much. I was having a little bit of fun there. And then you put your bango on it. Bango, bango, bango. And try and keep it shaped too, guys. There, look. Now you put it on the plate. And then you get some more. And you squeeze it together. Yeah, squeeze it together, guys, so it doesn't try and break up on you. There's a second truck in the street. Better watch it. What about that thing in TikTok? Two friends in a room, they might kiss. And then I had to use my my daughter's stuffed toy, because no one wants to do it with me. I mean, it's only like skits, you know, like you're trying to do some funny skits for the people, you know, to watch. It's only entertainment. You know, when I do my TikToks, it's only for entertainment. Some I put up and then I'm not happy with it. I think, why did I put it up? Looks boring. And then yeah, when my daughter goes, just leave it on, Mom. And I go, no, and I delete it. I didn't like it. Anyway, I know, you know, the professional people that does fish cakes, they go, what on earth is she doing? Professional people, I'm just trying. I ain't not my charm. Oh my. Yep, so squeeze it together. Make the shape. Oh, I saw this TikTok. This guy on TikTok, right? This is what he does. What he does, he gets ideas from requests from his followers. So they will suggest him to go and do something, right? And then one said, go up to someone's house and ask for water. And if they give you water, give them $500. It seems to be around the $500 mark, okay? So the guy walks up. I'll put down his name of who I'm talking about. He's very popular on TikTok, so he does this. Yeah, so he went up to this older people's home, like an elderly couple's home, and he asked for water. And then the lady, she comes out and she greets him, and then she goes inside and she gets him a bottle of water. Oh, I thought that was so sweet. And then she came out to give it to him, and he said, oh no, I'm not here to get water really. I'm here because I was wanting to see if you're going to give me water, and I'm going to give you, you know, $500, and I've got a gift for you, which is $500. And she goes, no, I can't take that. Oh, it's so old school love. You know, back in the days, the older generation, they will let you into their home, you know. There was one time when I used to stay in Petone. We moved down to Petone. We stayed at my auntie's house. My favourite auntie later, she only had a 2-bedroom apartment. But she must have convinced my dad to move back down to Wellington. So we moved in with them in Petone. 2-bedroom apartment. It was stuffy and all, but they were one of my best memories living in Petone, guys, because we were a family and we all did things together. And so we were going to school, and one time I was quite thirsty, and I knew it would only take about 50,000 more steps before I get home. Well, it's really like 7 houses away from where I really couldn't hack it anymore, you know. So there's this old couple. I notice them when I go past sometimes to go to school, when they're outside. And this time I was so thirsty. And and I walked up to the lady. I went through her fence because she only had a fence up to my tummy at that time because I was only a little girl. Yeah, I was about 8 years of age then. And with my broken lingo, I went and asked her, can I have water, you know? So I was so thirsty. And you know what she did? She goes, come inside. I thought, These days, I wouldn't recommend kids going inside people's homes because the bad people have wrecked it for the good people, you know? And, you know, you can't really trust it these days. But she said, come inside, you know? I thought, I don't know if I'm allowed. I wasn't even allowed to ask for water. Oh, my mum would have given me a good knockout. Anyway, but I went inside. Her husband was in there, and he goes, hello, you know, cheerful man. He goes, hello, and I go, hello, trying to sound innocent, but really, little devil child. Anyway, says, stop it. Don't think I'm like a devil child. You can tell it's devil child. I went and asked him for water when I could have walked all the way home and had water. Yeah, so this couple, right? This lady, she made me a cordial. It's a yellow cordial. I don't know what flavour it was, but it was cordial. And it's probably orange cordial because back in those days there weren't many varieties. So she, look at my dirty hands. Woo! So who started looking at my hands when I said, look at my dirty hands? Yeah, I know you did. Okay, I need some more panko. Oh, guys, I'm not going to wash my hands. This is... So the lady made me some cordial, and she even gave me some biscuits. You know, yeah. I'm making another one. I've got one here. It's okay. Okay. Oakley dokley. Yeah, so she gave me the cordial and the cookies, 3 cookies on a little plate and a little saucer, and she told me to sit down. So I sat down and have my cordial and my cookies, and then she started asking me questions. And at that time, guys, I was sort of limited with English, even though I understood what she was saying, kind of. But, you know, I answered as much as she can. And you know what, guys? When I was done having my delicious cordial and my delicious cookies, she said to me, whenever I'm thirsty, to come over and she'll make me a cordial. Oh, guys, I never forget that kind couple. Yeah, even the man said, yeah, you get thirsty, you come. And then I was telling the couple with my broken lingo, right? Here I go again, making another one when there's one waiting. I'm just too overprotective. Say, Kuya. Kuya, if you're overprotective, Faye. Say, stop it. Anyway, guys, I'll get back to my story. I'm easily distracted to myself. Yeah. So, I started telling them about my siblings, right? And so I was telling them, because my siblings at the time was my brother Sol and my uncle, who we would call each other brother and sister. His name at the time when we were going to school is Rimoni, okay? But we name him Sevangi. We call him Sevangi. You know how us islanders, we have one name, but we... I've done it again, guys. I made another one, and there's one waiting. Yeah, when we got names that our parents call us at home, and then we got our names that we use at school. Not every islander, but there are islanders like that. And, so I told them about my siblings, and I said, I've got 2 brothers I go to school with. And then they said, next time, bring them. Oh, I was thinking, no. You guys are my parents now. If your parents la si mea. guys. One more. Yeah, so I told them, right? I told them about it. And you know what they did? I told my brothers, and guess what they did? Guess what they did? The little snitches. The little snitches went and told on me that I did what I did. And when my mom was getting ready to knock me out, I told her I was thirsty. Oh, don't give me a hiding. I was thirsty. Yeah, guys. See, I was thirsty. Don't knock me out. Anyway, guys, that's what happened. So guess what happened after that? My mom never knocked me out. She just said to me not to do it again. If I want to drink at school, and we'll come home and, you know, at school they have the taps and that for you to go and drink. Bubblers, whatever they're called. Yeah, well, my mum said, drink at school or come all the way home and drink. And not to do that, because she didn't want me to, well, she did say, what if they're bad people and you're going there, you know? But no, they were really, really nice. And you know what the snitches did? One time they had walked before me, and I was just taking my time because, you know, I'm not in no rush to go to any newfound parents' house to, you know, to have a cordial and a cookie. But these two little snitches, they walked before me and they went there and asked for a cordial, a drink. But you know what? Embarrassment? They only got a drink. They never got any cookies because they're not special snitches. Here you go, guys. This is all my fish cakes. Now it's time to cook them. I got my plate here. And look, I went to look for a spatula and I found our barbecue one. I thought, yeah, big enough to... I'll put in my oil. Make sure there's enough oil. It's only got a little mouth, so, you know, that's why it seems like I'm putting in a lot, but I'm not. He's trying to accuse me of putting in too much. Yeah, so this is pretty oiled up anyway, so I'll just move it away, just in case I'm up. So I move up. Where's the logic in this? Anyway, so stop judging me, guys. Yeah, so those two snitches went to my parents, my new parents, and asked for a drink. But they got the cordial, but not a cookie. They were special, but not that special. Only me, I'll get the cookies and cordial. Yeah. So another time, the lady would, you know, stop me sometimes when she's outside by her garden. She'd go, hello, how are you? You all right? You going to school? Yeah, you know. But I never went back there because, you know, my mama warned me, you go back there again, you're going to get a whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, and I didn't want no more whoop, whoop. No. That's enough whoop, whoop. Sometimes you gotta listen to your parents. One, out of fear, and another, because it's for your own safety. Just like tilted. Like, what's going on here? Guys, I'm gonna start putting the fish cakes in. Because remember the salmon is raw, so I've got to cook it quite low. But not too low because then the oil will get sucked into the fish cake. So, there you go. And now we wait for it to cook. Yeah, anyway, living down in Wellington was beautiful memories for me. Beautiful memories. See how it's cold, so it dropped down, but it's okay. It will still be cooking nicely. You don't want to rush it because you got raw salmon in there, and you want to cook the. Ooh, what's this flick on the side? Okay. Yeah, so you got raw salmon in there, so you want to, slow cook it, but not too low because then the oil, like I said, it will make your food greasy. And the banko should help. Am I saying it right? Should help with the cooking process. So I'll wait, and I'll wait. Yeah, guys, so that's what happened with me and my siblings. They went and tried to take over my, shame on them because they didn't get the special treatment. And then Petone, they used to have this, the factory, the business or the company would hold their, like a fete, like a gala day for the workers and their children. It's like a family get-together, for the workers, for a company. So guess what, guys? I was invited. I invited myself. I sent myself an invitation. I said, Faye, they across the road. Get over there. Go on a Ferris wheel. Go on and have a hot dog. Have this and that. And, I enjoyed myself until one time. I went there, guys, and they had the tractor ride. So you sat on this, like a big rag or potato sack back in the days, and you hold on for dear life, and then the tractor will just slowly take you around. But as a child, it felt like it was going 200 miles per hour. And well, when you went to turn, I didn't hold on properly, and I fell to the side, and I scraped the side of my, and it burned me with the grass. And you know what? After that, I got up and I sang that song. Turn around every time anyway, that was the bad memory of that day, but I knew it was my fault because the man did say, hold on tight, when the tractor turns, you turn, but I was good. Anyway, so that's what happened. But I still remember it was so beautiful. There was 2 I've been to when we lived in Petone. Then after Petone, we moved out to Lyle Bay, Lyle Bay is near where Tofina lived. Yeah, he knows. I went to school with him. He was a little boy down the primary school, like kindergarten or something, I don't know. But anyway, so we lived in Lyle Bay. We lived opposite the shop. It was a square house. I don't know if it's still there. I don't know. I would love, if only I remember the address. Maybe I'll hunt it down. It was like a 2-bedroom little house. It was 2 blocks, and then there was a thing in the middle. In this side was the kitchen and the sitting room, and then you walk through the little corridor, which is like the bathroom. So that's the bathtub, and then you go into the rooms. So the back room will be my Uncle Moy's room, and the front one will be my parents and all of us kids. Yeah, that's good old days. Lovely, lovely days. Still cooking. See, that's what you want to do. You want to slow cook it because you got a raw salmon in there. But then I don't mind half-cooked salmon, so I check it out. Oh, it looks delicious. I know it's a bit early to turn, but I want to turn it. Oh, that lovely colour. I'll turn it around again after. Oh, so the one right in the middle can come on the side, and this one can go in the middle. Rotate them around. And here it is, guys. It's all ready to be consumed, eaten, and enjoy. All you need now is, I don't know, what would you eat with this? I normally like to eat fish cake in a sandwich. I know. But this is it, guys. Here, have a look. Take one. Like fancy pantsy. But that's it, guys. Simple and easy. So I hope you enjoy it when you make it for your family. God bless, take care, and stay safe out there with all this, this pandemic. I'm so sick of it. Bye for now, guys. God bless. Mm.